Welcome to the world of professional video editing. Today, we are exploring essential techniques to elevate your workflow and visual consistency. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, these tips will help you create a polished, high-end look that resonates with your audience. Tip 1. Color grading consistency. A cinematic look starts with matching your shots perfectly. Compare raw footage with your final graded output. Pay close attention to skin tones and color wheels. Consistency across different scenes ensures a seamless viewing experience for your audience. Tip 2. Rhythm and pacing. Your edit should have a heartbeat. Align your clips with the audio waveform to create a natural, seamless flow. Don't just look at the screen, feel the rhythm. Good pacing keeps viewers engaged and makes transitions feel intentional and smooth. Tip 3. Lighting and visual style cohesion. Consistency begins on set. Use proper key and fill lighting to ensure every shot matches the next. Even small details, like reflections and shadows, play a huge role in maintaining a professional and uniform aesthetic throughout your entire video. By mastering these fundamental techniques, you'll streamline your post-production process and deliver high-quality professional results every single time. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more pro-level editing advice. See you in the next edit.